On the Fly strives to make running a food truck more and more convenient for you and your customers. With a kiosk, your customers' time in line for orders cuts in half. With our kiosk, your customer simply punches in their order, which will directly communicate to your kitchen display system where all your orders will be displayed to your cooks. Once the order is ready, one of the cooks in the kitchen will click on the Done button, which will directly update on your On the Queue system that will publicly display to your customers that their order is ready for pickup. With our Pay by QR, simply print your receipt where your customers can pay from the comfort of their table.